Yeah, this is Paul Burton here in Roslindale. I'm at the Phineas Bates School, Ward 18. And as you can see, the line is very long here. The good news is that the ballots have arrived, but at some point throughout the day, they ran out of ballots. I'm here with Megan Sweeter. And Megan, give me a sense, what time did you get here and how long did you have to wait?
So we got here about 5:20, and we waited for about an hour and a half before the ballots showed up. And when we got here, they said that the ballots were they were out of ballots, but the line was moving pretty fast, so we were a little confused. But we were about 10 people behind where they ran out of ballots.
How frustrating was that? Did it make you nervous?
You know what? It didn't, because this is a very important election. There's a lot at stake. So we had our two kids here, 2 and 4, and we just hunkered down. They had their little notepad, a stuffed animal, and we just waited it out.
How relieved were you when the ballots did get here?
Very relieved. Yeah, we were very happy when we saw the cop walk through with the ballots.
And finally, why was it important for you to wait?
It was important, as I said, it's a crucial election. I think it's important to participate in civic duties like this and to have your voice heard.
Megan Sweeter, thank you so much. So that's the situation here in Roslindale. The good news is that the ballots have arrived. They are still waiting on more to arrive. But as you can see, this line is very long, but people are waiting patiently and they cannot wait to cast their ballots. Reporting in Roslindale, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News.